this is so freaking cute. Oh my god. It says to be fresh, gifted, female, and black. Let that sink in, y'all. Listen. To be fresh, gifted, female, and black. Come on now. Curlsqueen, like you're a Curlsqueen. And y'all, this packaging is so freaking cute. I love how it's like the baby pink color on the chocolate and gold. Like, this just looks so good. And it says the same thing all around the box. To be fresh, gifted, female, and black. I love that. That's like a caption for my next picture. All right, so let's unbox this. I just love this packaging. This is so freaking cute. Oh my god. Y'all, look at this. Girl, what? Oh my god. This is so cute. Oh. This is so cute, y'all. Wait a minute. They gave me my own little brush. Now this is so cute, y'all. And I can see my little reflection in there. This is so cute. And it says Curlsqueen with a CQ right there. And this is like a detangling brush. This is so nice. Look how it's just gliding through my hair. And it's gold, like everything else is gold. And then also, y'all, now this right here is cute. Look at this gold bonnet. And it's adjustable. I've never seen a bonnet like that. You can make it looser or you can make it tighter. This is so stinking cute. And then I think it might be the kind where you could flip it inside out and change the color, because both sides are satin, so that's super cute. And there's also a few like hair clips in here. Since these are clip-ins, they got you a little brush for your natural hair, and they have a bonnet you can put on for your natural hair. And this is what it looks like. And yeah, it's just so cute. There's confetti in here, and the blush pink with the gold details is so cute. Like, I'm loving this. 22-inch clip-ins. All right, and oh my god. I didn't think they were gonna be this freaking long, but I'm not complaining by any means. Oh, and this is gonna go so good with my hair. Like, I'm gonna of course blow this out a little bit and like straighten it. These clip-ins are so soft, like they're so soft. I just love that. To be fresh, gifted, female, and black. Yeah, I love that. Hey y'all, so let's get into this quick and easy install, y'all. This install was the fastest install I've ever done, because all we're doing is clipping in these clip-ins, and I'm showing y'all this is how they look. That track had 5 clips on it, and that's the longest track. So they have a track with 5 clips, 4 clips, 3 clips, and 2 clips, and they give you many of each of those. Literally all you have to do is open up the clip and then put it on your hair and then clip it back down, and that's all I was doing in the back. It's very easy. And right there you see I just secured it in, and I clipped that clip in, and literally that's what I did around my whole head. Parted my hair out and then lined up the clips with my part, clipped it right there, and then I was done. Now honestly, I didn't worry about getting the parts like super neat or anything, because you're not going to be able to see that anyways. And once you have the clips in your head, like, that's just the main part. So I'm just parting it out enough to cover up the clip-ins, and then putting another track on top of that until I had enough clips in my head. And make sure you got to secure the clip and clip it back at the end and close it back at the end. I was looking crazy right there, y'all, but it's okay, because once I finish the clip-ins, it's gonna look bomb. Y'all literally see how all I did was put the clip in my hair and then press the clip down and close it back. That's literally all you do. Open the clip, place it where you want it to be, and then press it in to close it. And literally it's easy. And I'm just putting clips really on this side because I'm doing a side part right here, and I just want this side to look full enough. And then that was the last clip I put in, I believe, and now I'm just parting out my side part enough to cover the clips on both sides. So now I'm just going to fix up my leave out. I'm just curling it a little bit in the front, and God, please don't let me have heat damage after all this is said and done, because I just been straightening my little hair. I went to the Dominicans and got it blown out and pressed out, and I just, ooh, girl, I'm scared. But nonetheless, this turned out real cute, so it was worth it. I'm using my Magic Edge Effect edge control on my edges, and then a little bit of Got To Be spray to help hold it in place. Do y'all see how red my scalp was turning? Like, I was really brushing my head, really brushing my scalp, trying to get it to lay like so sleek and flat. Like, I was turning red. But now I'm just going on my Cheat Silk Infusion, adding that to my hair for moisture and shine. Then I'm laying down these sideburns right here. And this looks so freaking good already. It looks like my real hair. And y'all, look at this right here. You mean to tell me that this don't eat? Like, this looks so freaking bomb. The hair is so full. The clip-ins are seamless, like you can't see them. They're not bulky at all. And they blend so good with my real hair. Like, I could fool a lot of people and say this is my real hair, because look at this. B-O-M-B. Bomb. Bomb, 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 bomb. Literally, I love this, y'all. I couldn't stop taking videos. I was like, it's giving America's Next Top Model. I don't know. I mean, I don't know. So once I did that hairstyle, I just wanted to show y'all like another hairstyle that you could do. I took the clip-ins out the top, and now I'm putting some more clip-ins at the bottom right here. And then I'm just making sure that I have enough hair to cover those up. It looks so cute already. Like, oh my goodness, y'all. I have never been the type of girl to just wear clip-ins, but look, the way these clip-ins is turning out, I might be a clip-in girly. I mean, seriously, if this turns out the way I think it's gonna turn out, if it turns out better than what I'm expecting, y'all, I might be sold. I might be a clip-in girl. I mean, this just blends with my hair so good. Y'all, wait, hold on, let me put this in a ponytail and let me fix my edges, because are you kidding me right now? Like, what? Look at this half up, half down. Oh my goodness, you can't tell me nothing with these clip-ins. Literally. Giving real Barbie vibes, giving black Barbie. And then I'm gonna do one more style with these clip-ins just to show y'all really just how fast, easy, and versatile that these clip-ins are. Okay, so I put the clip-ins back in, and I put about 1, 2, 3 clip-ins going this way, and then I put 1, 2, 3 back here going up. And the fact that these clip-ins are so seamless, you can't even tell that I'm wearing clip-ins. It doesn't look bulky at all. Look how flat it gets. This is like so, I'm actually in love with this right now, y'all. I'll be wanting to wear a ponytail so bad, and you know, sometimes ponytails can be so complicated when we try to, you know, do the ponytail where we braid our hair and then wrap it and then glue on the bundles. No, we'll just get you some clip-ins and literally look, a ponytail in seconds. Well, not seconds, minutes, but literally minutes is so fast. Are you kidding me right now? Look how good this looks. Literally, and look how flat it is. No, y'all, this is crazy. I'm about to be wearing these clip-ins everywhere. I don't know what y'all talking about. Curlsqueen. Curlsqueen. Yeah, y'all did it. Y'all did y'all big one with these clip-ins, okay? The seamless clip-ins. Where are the clip-ins at? This ponytail right here is everything. Like, I feel like it's so hard for me to just put my hair up on the ponytail. Like, you know, but clip-ins, I don't know why I've never thought to just buy clip-ins for a ponytail, because it's literally so, look how flat this is. I have 4C hair. Now, don't get me wrong, the Dominicans got my natural hair very, very flat, so that is helping with, you know, the ponytail being flat. But besides that, you can't see the clip-ins. These clip-ins are literally seamless, y'all. Like, they're so flat. Look how flat they are. Look inside. Literally flat. Like, this is maybe my new go-to style. And best believe that since these clip-ins are kinky curly and they blend with my texture naturally, even if my hair isn't pressed out this straight and my hair is just blow dried, I'll be putting these clip-ins in, and I bet they're gonna look just as good, because look at the texture on them. The texture looks so natural on them. 10 out of 10. Y'all, so that's the end of this video. I literally love these clip-ins. I'm actually about to put them in this weekend when I go out, because I never knew what I was missing. But I did need these clip-ins in my life. So thank you, Curlsqueen, for these kinky curly clip-ins, and thank y'all so much for watching this video. Honestly, if y'all made it this far, comment a pink heart down below, and if y'all want to shop these clip-ins, of course the link will be down below in my description. So yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.